What's good, y'all? We here now, and I got my room situated. So far so good. Everything's looking presentable now, thankfully. Most of my things might be in my closet. So the next thing I'm gonna go ahead and do is take down these dog cages. I googled and YouTube how to take it down, so this should be interesting. Also, I'm gonna be looking up the stuff to see if there's anything I need to get rid of or keep and all of that fun stuff. Oh, by the way, it is 10:02 and I'm kind of hungry, so I'm gonna get me a snack. I got these pretzels. I'm gonna take me some Tylenol too. Need to do that.